In an interview with Nick Woodman during CES 2018, the CEO of GoPro confessed that one of the next steps in the strategy would be to think more about the public when it comes to creating cameras instead of just having the vision of his team. Possibly of this change of chip is born Hero, a new model in the GoPro catalog that leaves aside the most pro to look at the sector of beginners and those with a somewhat tighter budget. The company has thus preferred to sacrifice benefits in exchange for reducing the cost of the product and simplifying its mode of use. On your 2-inch touchscreen you will have access to fast image capture, voice control and synchronization with your phone via Wi-Fi. The camera also comes with a stabilizer, is resistant to water at depths of up to 9 meters and offers compatibility, of course, with all the various GoPro accessories.